So hi guys, yes, this is Prince once again. Today we are doing the part 2 of TradeView or technical analysis. How to use TradeView, how to choose coin, how to do your analysis on TradeView. Today we're going to do the part 2. Part 1 is already uploaded on the same YouTube channel. You can go and check it out. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and press that bell icon so that you're the first to know when I upload the third part or anything new on the YouTube channel. So you can comment with whatever you want us to teach about, whatever you want us to talk about regarding TradingView, regarding Binance, regarding RoyalQ, regarding crypto trading. Remember, it's always safe when you trade with RoyalQ. If you don't know how to trade with RoyalQ and earn a daily income, please use that contact below. Use that contact which is there. You can WhatsApp us, we can get to you, we can tell you, we can teach you, we can show you everything how to make money using RoyalQ and in crypto trading. Alright, thank you. Let's go together into today's video.
Investing doesn't have to be complicated. You can choose to simplify.
Yes.
Welcome to RoyalQ. This is a full application for you to automate your strategies in a simple way. Now, you keep control your goals. With RoyalQ, you will have a winning crypto active wallet, automatically profiting non-stop.
So guys, how are you? How is everything? Welcome once again to another tutorial of how to set your TradingView and how to choose signal. Technical analysis. I'm going to give you technical analysis, simple technical analysis for a beginner or a novice person in crypto, how you can do your trade settings. Okay, so stay with me. You be with me until the end of the video so that I show you how it is done. Something is disturbing me. So that I show you how it is done. I wanted to see if I'm recording. Yes, it's here. Now, last time where we stopped by when we added our indicator. This is stochastic RSI, and we added this also our indicator 50 EMA, moving average indicator 50 EMA. So I want us to set the stochastic RSI, our stochastic RSI, so that it looks more better than this. Then after we'll go these lines, you see these dotted lines here, you see it's faint, so we're gonna set it so that it looks at least better than this. This is the next tutorial. If you did not watch the first one, go to the same YouTube channel and watch it. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment with whatever tutorial you want us to teach about, and press the bell icon so that you're the first person to know when I share another video. Okay, so if we are to set the stochastic RSI, we're going to go to same let me use this signal. Let me use this one. We want to set our stochastic RSI. So these are the settings. You double click in the stochastic RSI. Let me go back. You come here, you double click, it will come to the settings. So input style, you're going to put for me this, how I tell you, you're going to put for me two. You check, there is style, there is input, there is style, there is visibility, but more we interested in input. So you put 2 then 9 9. Okay, so these 2 are the ribbons. how they are going to move, length, RSI length and stochastic length. So you set like that, then you come to save as default. Here downside there are three dots, save as default. You save as default. Okay, after saving as default, then you go to style. We go to style. These are the bands. I mean the way, ribbons. Stochastic RSI is like this, 3 lines, but there is those 2 ribbons that which moves like this. So these 2 K and D, they are our ribbons. We're gonna leave them in that same color. Yeah, same color. You can set same color, and you can try to thicken them, the line, if you want it thick, and we put it in that one. So opacity, we leave it on 100, then it's okay. You go to the next one, you can also put it in the thick line, that second one, then opacity is 100, then okay. So we go to these bands meaning the line, 3 lines, 1, 2, 3, which are on stochastic RSI, where the ribbons flow. So we have to give them color also, different colors. So you press here, let's take green for the first band, and let's put it in the at least thicker line, this one. Then we take sorry, let me go back to settings. So you see what we have already set. These lines have changed. Okay, the upper band is green but still dotted. We need to change that one also. Okay, so we double click and go back again. Upper band, we change it from this one. We need to take line. Yeah, that thick line. So then we press OK. Then we go to, we need line like that. Instead of dots here, we need line. So we go to the middle band here. We change it also. We give it color. We can give it color. Which color do we have there? We can give it color. That color will not look good. We give it blue. Okay, let's give it blue. Opacity 100. Then we give it thickness. That thickness, yeah, we make it also line, not dots. So the last one is this one. We can leave it in black. We change and line. So that is how we set that style. So you can take screenshot and you set properly your stochastic RSI. Then after, we again save as default down here. Save as default. Okay, so that's it. Then we press OK. So you see how our stochastic RSI looks like. Yeah, it looks more lively. Alright, so that one is done. We have 50 EMA in place. We have our stochastic RSI. Now we are going to our technical analysis. How can you analyze the coin? How can you know that this is a capable coin? I can trade this coin. First, I'll show you. We're gonna use charts and indicator, but I'll show you. I want you to follow my strategy which I gave you, and the strategy is called CEDT. You can call it CEDT, which stands for conditions, the entry point where you enter from the trade, then your drop, call drop, and then you take profit. Okay, so that is the formula I want us to use when we are getting the signal. You have to look for conditions. Why am I entering this signal? Why am I choosing Doge over Sol? Why am I choosing Doge over Pepe? You have to look for those conditions. Why do I have to trade this coin? And I'm going to give you some conditions. First, whenever you to put money, whenever you to put a trade, you have to look for these conditions. First, your coin has dropped. I'm going to use this very coin. Your coin has dropped and it has reached this one, we call it resistance levels. Some of you call it diamond area, some of you call it at most zones. So if it has reached this resistance level, what you have to do, you have to make sure that the level has been tested multiple times, more than one times. We are on conditions now. We have started conditions. Your resistance area, from where you're going to take the measurement from, you have to make sure it has been tested multiple times. That's when you call it the resistance area. Okay, so you can come here on pencil, you choose an icon. Some of you choose horizontal lines, like how we use. You choose and you put line there. We've marked our resistance area, which is 1, 1, 1. So there are 3, 1, 2, 3. Meaning, if I zoom in this coin, you will see that this area has been tested multiple times in another area. Let me turn my, you see? Let me first remove stochastic RSI. So it had been tested multiple, even this area, this area. So it is a good position to say it is our resistance block, to put our resistance block. All right. So after identifying that, what other thing do you have to identify? So this coin looks good. This coin looks good to trade. But what other things do you need to identify? That is one. That is one. Another thing, I want you to take coins which are at least +7, at least +6 or +5. Why? Those coins, they have already gained the momentum. Now let's see this Doge. When we look at this Doge, you see Doge here? If you go to Doge, you will find that Doge USDT. When you go to, let's use 4 hours. 4 hours. When you go to check Doge USDT on the chart, let's go to Royal Q. We check Doge USDT. I want you to follow slowly. When you check this Doge USDT here on Doge USDT, it's in +20 now. It's in +20. So this has ranged so far. This one we cannot do it. We cannot enter it. You look for coins that are in at least +5, like this one. World, at least up to +7. Okay. Let me take this one, Meme. Let me take Meme. We go to our trade view. We choose. We search for Meme USDT. See here. Okay. It is in +5. You see. And another thing, I want you to take caution. The other one I've told you about order block. It has to be in area that has been tested multiple times, like here. Like if we are to put here order block, it has to be in this area. It has been tested multiple times. Let me show you. Here, first condition, it had to be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So those times that had been tested, you can draw your line there, and that is our first principle. Our first condition. Then the second condition I need you to follow is 50 EMA has to be below below the coin you're trading. I told you. Now let me repeat the conditions properly. 1, you have to look for resistance area in when it is tested multiple times, resistance area. 2, you have to look for coin which is at least plus 5, between 5 and 7 to trade. If you want a coin that is going to be beneficial, that is going to go out if the market is okay, which is going to go out within 4 hours or 5 hours if the market is okay, you choose this coin between 5 and 7. Another one, 50 EMA has to be below that coin, not in the middle, not in the wire, below below these green candlesticks, like how it is here, below these green candlesticks. Okay, and the last one is stochastic RSI. Stochastic RSI, I had removed it but I'm going to show it, to put it back and show you. So those are the conditions. If you, after meeting these conditions, your coin, you've already got the resistance level downside marked multiple times, it is around plus 5 or plus 7, and the 50 EMA is below your green candlestick, and then we go to stochastic RSI. Stochastic RSI has to be at least in over. The stochastic RSI has 3 areas. Now where it is oversold. In the middle, average sold. If it's here downside, it is overbought. Sorry. I'm sorry. This is overbought. This is average bought. This one is oversold. Okay? Oversold. When it is down, it is oversold. If you have to make sure that the stochastic RSI has, at least it is in oversold or in the middle on average sold for you to enter that coin. When it is here, it is in overbought. But sometimes that's why I told you to you use this percentage. Sometimes percentage shows it to you very well. If the coin has not gone above 10 plus 10, above plus 10, it is okay. Even if stochastic RSI, it is in overbought, but the coin hasn't shown that it is above plus 10, that coin is still okay. You can trade it. Okay, so that the conditions we've met them. We've met the conditions. Can I repeat them? First one, resistance block, tested multiple times. Second one is coins between plus 5 or 7, between there. You have 50 EMA below the green candle. You're going to trade below the green candle, EMA below the green candle. Then the last one, stochastic RSI, being in average sold or oversold, but when it is facing upside, when it is facing, the blue line is facing upside, red line is facing upside, meaning now the coin has retraced. Okay, so those are the conditions. Actually, this is where you have to get concentrate on the conditions that they gave you. If they go into your head, you will win trades. Okay, so now you've met the conditions. Now we are here, we have met our condition. Let me try to recite this one. Yes, so we've met our condition. Number 1, we can mark our order block here. Okay, so our coin, it has gone, but it is above 50 EMA, meaning at least, and it is now it's around plus 7, this meme, so it is at least okay. We can plus 6, it's okay, we can trade it now. So we're going to start our measurements. Now that is where take us to condition number 2. Remember the formula is said it. So condition number 2 is entry point. When do you enter a trade? When do you enter a trade? Guys, look here. Most of you, when you see the coin has made this green candle here, you enter a coin. You have to enter a trade when the coin is on the second green candle, second or third or fourth, but in uptrend, and you've met these conditions, okay? But don't enter a coin, because this red candle here you see, let me use here. This red candle here you see, and it can be followed by a green candle, and again the market falls. But it has to be followed by a green candle and it has momentum. A green candle which has momentum like this one. So if you see the two green candles with momentum, you can enter a trade. That is entry point. We call it bullish engulfing bar. If you see a candle like this one, it means now the buyers has entered the market with the energy, or with in numbers, so we can enter the market. You have to measure. You can measure your trade like this one. Let me say I want to take 3% of this trade. First, now entry point I've told you. Because the simplest thing, I can give you many things, but I want to give you the simplest thing. Use always the green engulfing bar as your entry point. The second green, let the first one make. If the second green comes with momentum and is big, that's when you have to enter a trade. Okay, so if you're to measure 3%, you need 3% of this one. That's the take profit. Or let us, because the formula is said it, let us first do that drop. Then we'll go with targets. So you go to your toolbar. You know this toolbar, you have to get to know them, how to look for them. And there is this tool called price range. This tool called the price range. So you click that price range. Line will come like how it is here. You go to that line, to the current price here. You tap, then you move towards your resistance area. So your call drop here should be -13. Are we together? This should be your call drop. This one in bracket, it should be -13. That's how we get the call drop. Okay. Then you want to take 3%. How do you take 3%? First, you go and check this coin. What is our next what is our next resistance level? What is our next support level? What is our next support level? You have to take also our line and you mark it at next support level. Okay, so that is our next support level. So on this coin, you can now where we are, if you're to take the range and measure, you take the range. Where is the range? Yeah, it's here, price range. This range, price range. So you bring it, you measure from the current price. From the current price here, and take upside. So to where our next resistance is 5, take profit is 5%. So don't take 5% all of it. You go for small, at least take 3%. Always, if you mark the resistance level, don't take that profit which is there. Go for 3% or 4%. So already now I have got the signal. The signal is called meme USDT. Take profit. I'll take 3%. Then call drop. I'll take, it's 13%. I'll take 13%. Okay. So this is how we get signals. This is how we do technical analysis. Guys, watch this video several times. More so in conditions. More so conditions. More so conditions. Watch this video several times, more so conditions, and then you get to know how we do trade settings, how we do coin, how we get coin, how we get capable coin to trade. Thank you very much. Hope to meet you in another tutorial where I'll be elaborating again more in candle. I'll be showing you more about candle because each candle here has a meaning. So I'll show you how even to get trade setting using a chart pattern, using candles, using candlesticks only. So today, go with that condition. It will help you to get a capable signal for yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. It's Prince, Active Royal Q Traders and Royal Q Academy 24.